Good morning, children. This is Savilsar speaking. In the previous video, we had a discussion on fractions, and as I've given some assignments to you all to solve. So I have received some works done by a few students of your class, and fractions. The concept of fractions is really very easy, and in which we have understood how to add and subtract the fractions, and some arithmetic based questions concept based on fractions we have done from the assignments and from the exercises. So what I actually want from you all to practice these things very nicely, and all sort of queries and doubts will be addressed soon after the class gets over. So here some more examples and some more problems we are going to deal in exercise 2.2. Children, in exercise 2.2, in question number 1 and 2, there are some figures are given in which we have to identify the fractions, how many fractions portions are there and all that. So similar things we have done in class 6, in which we used to get some pictures, some diagrams from what we have to extract the fractions, the number of fractions from the given figures. So those things I'm not going to repeat once again. I'm directly going for question number 3, and if you are facing problem in order to find the answers from those picture based questions, if you get any problem to get the answer from those picture based questions, you may ask your questions. You can take a snap of your question and you can drop me in my personal WhatsApp. I'll be trying to help you out. I'll be trying to address your problems. So from the exercise 2.2, I believe that everyone will be understanding, everyone will be listening these things very carefully. In exercise 2.2, question number 3, some questions which I have written, that is 7 into 3 by 5. We have to reduce it, and we have to make it into mixed fraction. So children, here we can see the question is 7 into 3 by 5. 7 into 3 by 5. 5 and 7 cannot be cancelled. So in that case, the only option is to multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. So here the numerator is 7, here is a numerator which is 3, and denominator is 5, and here is the denominator 1. So naturally, numerators and numerators will be multiplied, denominators and denominators will be multiplied. 3 sevens are 21 by 5 ones are 5. So here I got 21 by 5. So 21 by 5, as you can see, it's an improper fraction. So the only option is to convert into mixed fractional form. In the question, even it has been asked in order, we have to convert this into mixed fractional form. So 21 by 5, we're going to divide. 5 4s are 20. 1 I'll get. See this 1. So the answer will be 4. This 1 will be up and 5 will be down. It's 4 whole 1 by 5. It's 4 1 by 5. Next is question number 2. 4 into 1 by 3. Children, 4 and 3 cannot be cancelled. So in that case, numerator, 4 is in the place of numerator. Every whole number is in the place of numerator. So that is what we have to keep in our mind. So here 4 will be multiplied to 1. 4 ones are 4. And here is in the place of denominator, we have got 3 and 1. 3 ones are 3. So 4 and 3, we can convert into mixed fraction, as the number is an improper fraction. It's already we got 3 ones are 3. So 4 minus 3 is 1. Answer is 1 whole 1 by 3. Next number is suppose 15 into 3 by 5. We have got 15 into 3 by 5. Children, I'm picking up these questions randomly because all these questions are pretty similar. So this is what I want you to go for your own. You should practice all this, and process is just absolutely whatever is being showing in the video. So 15 and 5. 5 3s are 15. 3 3s are 9. 9 can be kept as 9 by 1 or 9. 9 is a complete whole number. So there is no problem as such. 9 as there is no, it's not an improper fraction or it's not a proper fraction, whatever means 9 can be kept as 9 only, it can be kept as whole number only, no problem in that. In the next question number 5, we have 1 by 2 of 24 and 36, like that. So in that case we are going to deal with 1 by 2 of means into, of means multiplication. So here which I'm using of, in the place of I'm using a multiplication, and 24. So 2 and 24 can be cancelled. 12 2s are 24, 12 1s are 12. So this is what my answer. Again the next part is 1 by 2 of 36. So in that case I'll write 1 by 2 into 36. 2 and 36 will be cancelled. 18 2s are 36, 18 1s are 18. My answer is 18. And the next question number B is 2 by 3 of 18. Very simple. 3 and 18 will be cancelled. 3 6 are 18. 3 6 are 18. and my answer is 6 2s are 12. 12 is the answer. So children, this way we deal with such questions. It's really very easy. Just simply in the place of you have to replace of by using a multiplication sign, and we can easily get an answer by multiplying. If in the necessary places, if it is told that you have to convert the answer into mixed fraction, we will convert the answer into mixed fraction. The main thing is, to understand the concept of multiplication of fractions. That's all. I believe that if you go through this video nicely, you will be surely able to understand. And as I told in question number 1 and 2 of exercise 2.2, some questions are picture based questions. Suppose 5 parts are given in a figure. 5 parts are given. Out of 5 parts, 3 parts are colored. Out of 5 parts, 3 parts are colored. What is the fraction of those colored part? It is 3 by 5. I'm repeating my word once again. Suppose you are given a rectangle, and this rectangle is divided into 10 equal pieces. How many equal pieces? 10 equal pieces. So out of out of those 10 pieces, 3 pieces are colored. So the fraction of colored part is 3 by 10. 3 parts are colored out of 10 parts. So the fraction is 3 by 10. So the fraction is 3 by 10. That's all. In this way, we deal with some such questions. Children, again some questions are given. In question number 6, multiply and express as a mixed fraction. Multiply and express as a mixed fraction. First question is 3 into 5 whole 1 by 5. 3 into 5 whole 1 by 5. Children, the most important and most important part of this question is, before we go for multiplications or cancellations, whatever, we have to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction first. Many children, throughout my teaching experience, I have seen many children, without converting the mixed fractions into improper fraction, they start cancelling. This is not the process. This is absolutely invalid process, and of course you are not going to get a correct answer. First thing is, we have to convert this mixed fractions into improper fraction first. So let us convert this mixed fractions into improper fraction first. 3 into 5 5s are 25 plus 1, 26. 26 by 5. Now 26 and 5 cannot be cancelled. 3 and 5 cannot be cancelled. Only thing we can do, 3 into 26. 78 by 5. 78 by 5. So now This 78 by 5 I can cancel, or I can convert it to mixed fraction. 5 15s are 75, 3 as a remainder. It will be 15 whole 3 by 5. That is only my answer. So children, very easy. Again, in the next question, question number B, we have 5 into 6, 3 by 4. In that case, we will convert it into mixed fraction, improper fraction first. Then we will be trying to cancel it if cancellation goes. If no, then we will multiply numerator with numerator, and then we can convert it into mixed fractions. I believe that these things are really very easy. I have explained all this. Even in class 6, you have done all these things. So I believe that you are going to try this out, and if you face problem, your sir is always there to help you out. In the next question, question number 8, question number 7 is even similar. That's why I'm not showing question number 7. I'm directly going for question number 8. Vidya and Pratap went for a picnic. Their mother gave them a water bottle that contained 5 liters of water. Pratap consumed 2 by 5 of the water. Remaining Vidya drank. How much Vidya drank and what fraction Pratap drank? Achha. Here in this question, the very first thing that we have to understand, total amount of water is equal to 5 liters. Total water. In a bottle, the capacity of the bottle is 5 liters. So that bottle was given to both of them. Out of this 5 liters of water, Pratap drank 2 by 5. Pratap drank 2 by 5 from this total amount of water. If 2 by 5 is 2 by 5 fraction drank by Pratap. So Pratap actually drank how much? So that is 2 by 5 of 5 liter, of course, because out of 5 liters of water, Pratap drank 2 by 5. So how much he actually drank? If I find 2 by 5 of 5, means 2 by 5 into 5 cancel, 2 liters. So out of 5 liters of water, Pratap drank 2 liters of water. Out of 5 liters of water, Pratap drank 2 liters. How much is the remaining? 3 liters is the remaining. Out of 5 liters, 2 liters were drank by Pratap. So the remaining is 3 liters. 3 liters is the remaining. So out of this 3 liters of water, Vidya drank 3 liters. So what is the fraction of this consumption of Vidya? 3 liter out of 5 means 3 by 5. So Vidya drank 3 by 5. Children, this is a very simple question. I'm repeating my word once again. Total amount of water was 5 liters. Out of 5 liters, Pratap drank 2 by 5. How much Pratap drank? Find out 2 by 5 of 5. Means 2 by 5 into 5. It is 2 liters. Pratap drank 2 liters of water. So out of 5 liter, if 2 liters were consumed by someone, how much is left? 3 liter is left. Who drank 3 liter? Of course, Vidya. Vidya drank 3 liters. So 3 liters water drank by Vidya. What is a fraction? Now this is the actual amount. What is a fraction of this 3 liters out of 5 liters? It is 3 by 5. That is what my answer is all about. I hope that you are going to try out these sums, and I will be expecting you all to submit your works soon after doing all this sums explained in today's video. Till then, thank you so much, children. Thank you.